Take the 2 of diamonds from a deck of cards and change it into a $2 bill. The bill is completely
No way!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 3 money magic tricks that you can do. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first one is an easy DIY trick that you can do at home right now. Check it out. Okay, check this out. I have a 10, a 5, and a 2 from a deck of cards here. Now watch, if I just wave the card over top, it magically changes into a 10, a 5, and a $2 bill. Okay, V, I have a fun challenge for you here. This is the magic treasure box. You can see there is a $100 bill inside.
And I want...
So all you have to do is figure out how to open this thing.
Okay.
That's it.
Yep.
And then you can have the $100
Yes.
if you get it open. But it's a time limit, okay? So you only get a certain amount of time to figure it out. And I will let you know that there is like a secret way to open it. It's not as simple as it seems. So give it a shot.
It's not as simple as it seems.
It's kind of difficult. Try it out. You don't have to like force it like that. It's very easy once you figure out the secret.
Yeah, no, duh.
You don't have to break it in half, I'll tell you that.
I'm not gonna break it in half. I just wanna open it.
Let's check the clock here. I feel like this could go on hours if I look. Alright, you want me to show you? Alright, watch. It's actually really easy.
It's actually really easy.
It is though. Look, if you find the right spots
It's a puzzle.
on the box,
be...
look, you have to find the right spot. It's here and right here. You hold it at this corner and this corner, look, and then just slide.
I tried that.
Just like that.
I tried that.
Okay, V, I have a cool trick to show you with this bill. Go ahead and check it out. Make sure it is normal.
Yeah.
Also have a piece of paper
I always
here.
wanna...
If you want to check, smell it? Okay.
Yeah, because you know money has a smell.
It's real bill,
I've
right?
never had, yeah.
Normal.
It's real.
Check out this piece of paper. Make sure it's legit too.
Not
Also
gonna
have
smell
a
it.
pencil here.
I saw that.
Okay, cool. Check that as well. So while you're inspecting the pencil, I'm going to fold the bill around this piece of paper just like this, and I'm going to fold it
Seems
in
like a real
half
pencil.
like this. It is indeed a real, genuine Laugh at Life brand pencil.
Yes,
so we've got the piece of paper and the bill just like this, you can see.
Okay.
Okay, so check it out. We're going to take the pencil, and I'm going to take the pencil and put it down through the paper and the bill like this. Watch.
Stop
1,
destroying
2,
money. No.
3, and it goes right
Why does
through
it not matter?
the bill, just like that. Okay, you can see.
These tricks always make me so nervous.
All right, watch. It goes through the bill and the paper. Watch. Take the pencil. Oh. All right, now watch. We can unfold it like this. All I have to do is rub. You see, there's still a hole in the paper, right? But look. The bill is completely
No way!
just like that. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. So the secret to the 10-5-2 trick. This is an Evan Era original that I came up with just for this video. All you need for this trick is a $2 bill, a $5 bill, and a $10 bill, and you're gonna need the corresponding cards from a deck of cards, 10, 5, and 2. Grab one of your cards and fold it in half, cut the card right down the center. Now once you have each one of the cards cut in half like this, you're going to take them and affix them to the bills. We're using rubber cement instead of glue because then you can peel the cards and bills apart if you want to spend the money. So we're going to take a little rubber cement and brush it on the back of each one of the card pieces. Stick it in place on the corresponding banknote. So 5 goes on the 5, 2 goes on the 2, 10 goes on the 10. So once you have the cards prepared, you're going to put them into this position just like this. And now I have the bills folded just like so, that they tuck behind like this. And I'm going to cover that bottom edge with my thumbs just like this. Now this this hand's gonna come up and provide some cover as I just square all of the cards up like this. And now I'm just going to flip the bills out like this and begin spreading the bills just like this. And that is the 10-5-2 trick. Here is the secret to opening the magic treasure box. This is available now at EvanEraTV.com, and it makes a perfect gift for the holidays. A great way to give cash to your loved ones and also drive them crazy at the same time. It is a really simple secret. If you look very closely here, you can see there's ridges on this box, and right here at this corner and on the opposite corner right here is where you have to grab it in order to open it, and then just pull and it will slide out just like that. Once you know the secret, it is very easy to open. Head over to EvanEraTV.com today and pick up a magic treasure box. The perfect magic holiday gift for all ages. Here's the secret to the pencil through the dollar trick. This is a really easy do-it-yourself trick that you can set up at home. All you need is a piece of paper, a dollar bill. You can even borrow this, and you need a pen or a pencil. Now your first step is to fold the piece of paper in half just like this. And the bill is going to go on the piece of paper and it's gonna get wrapped around it. Folded here and folded here. So on the back, it's like this, and you've got a little gap in between the bills. So now when you fold it in on itself like this, this is what you're left with. Now you want it like that so that the pencil can slide right down in between like this. But what the audience doesn't see is that instead of it going here, like they believe it does, it's actually gonna go here, behind the bill. So that way it punctures the paper, but it does not puncture the bill itself. So we're gonna press and it's gonna pop through just like that. And now you can show it on both sides, and it really does look like it has gone through the bill, but we can see that it's only going through the paper and the bill is unharmed. Now you continue pushing the pencil all the way through. You can then unfold it like this. You can show the hole in the paper and you place your finger over it as you pull this aside. And I say, look, I'm going to heal the hole on the dollar, and you kind of just do some acting here, act like you're just magically healing the hole on the dollar. Then you can hand this out to the audience and they're gonna go crazy inspecting it. Like, what happened to the hole? They saw the pencil go right through it. And it's made even more convincing by the fact that there is a hole in the paper, and they can inspect the pencil and the dollar and the paper as much as they want. Try it out at home. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with somebody you think might like it too. Really appreciate all the support on the channel here recently. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com for all the new holiday gifts. We are dropping new merch every Friday. And today's merch drop is this right here, the magic treasure box that you saw in this video. Perfect holiday gift to drive your friends and family crazy. You put a little cash in there, give them the treasure box, and watch them struggle to figure it out. And eventually they'll get it and get the cash, or you can just tell them the secret. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is EvanEraTV.com. Holiday gifts, magic tricks, pranks, a lot of fun stuff. Head over to the link in the description and check it out. Order now and get your stuff well in time for Christmas, or you can wait for our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale and use code ERA to take 20% off your order. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away the magic props from this video, namely the treasure box. I'm giving away 3 of these to 3 lucky comments in the comment section. All you have to do to win, like the video and leave a comment down below. I'll be reading every single comment on this video. I'm gonna pick 3 winners and mail out the magic to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you.